The Suzuki Baleno Delta's infotainment system can be updated via USB or over-the-air methods. These updates enhance functionality, fix bugs, and improve map accuracy and Android Auto CarPlay integration. Updating ensures compatibility with the latest apps and features. As of Q3 2025, the latest firmware is V2.1. You can check for updates through the Suzuki Connect app or official website. Keep in mind that OTA updates are available for software bugs, security patches, and minor feature enhancements, and that you need to connect your car to Wi-Fi and use the Suzuki app. Begin by downloading the update files from Suzuki's official website onto a USB drive. Next, insert the USB drive into your Baleno Delta's USB port. Then, follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the update process. Ensure your car is parked with the engine off during the process to prevent interruptions. USB updates are ideal for offline environments and maintain data integrity. After the process completes, check that the update was successful. Your Baleno Delta infotainment system is now updated.